What exciting adventures will we choose?
$12,706 is a suite on our deck. Very nice. You actually walk into a living area, a nice artistic wall, a sitting area with 2 chairs. And that's a coffee maker. Wow, suites get their own coffee maker. Cups, wine opener. Cutlery. These drawers are hard to open. Oh, there's a fridge. Another little.
Yes. This is bigger. That's more work.
And a garbage can. A desk with a chair. A big TV. Some storage under the TV. A balcony with 2 chairs. This one's an angled balcony, so watch your head. But being at the front of the ship, you actually have a very good forward view from this balcony. Couch, side table, coffee table. A nice big bedroom with a king-size bed, side table with phone, extra large bathroom with 2 sinks, 2 mirrors. You can actually close the bathrooms separately. A nice big soaker tub, makeup table, and shower with the option of sitting. And it looks like it's got extra jets and such. Nice. And beside the bed, there's a lot of storage and a seat. And a nice big closet in the corner. So that's what you get if you choose a suite on the 12th floor.
We're retired, it's time to cruise. Where will we go next? What will we see? What exciting adventures will we choose? We'll make new friends and make some plans. We'll post videos as we visit new lands. We love you to join us as we sail around in floating hotels of every brand. We're retired and it's time to cruise. Come and join us or watch our YouTube.